Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You see the Google Translate pop-up when Chrome detects a different page language. The browser compares page language to your default language and then offers translation. This feature triggers frequently on multilingual sites and PDF pages. You do not need to remove translation tools to stop pop-ups. Disabling the offer keeps manual translate options intact for later use. I will show clear, step-by-step settings to stop pop-ups in desktop and mobile Chrome. Follow each step exactly to prevent future automatic translation prompts. Open Chrome and click the menu with 3 dots in the corner. Choose Settings, then scroll to Languages under Advanced Settings. Click Languages to open the Language Preferences panel. Find the toggle labeled Offer to translate pages that aren't in a language you read. Turn that toggle off to stop automatic translation pop-ups immediately. This change keeps the translation option in the right-click menu for manual use. You will no longer see unsolicited Google Translate pop-ups on desktop websites after this step. If pop-ups persist, check installed extensions for Google Translate and disable it. Open Chrome, /extensions or the extensions menu and turn off that extension. Next, clear site language preferences under Privacy and Security and then Site Settings to reset language offers. On Android or iPhone, open Chrome Settings, go to Languages, and toggle off Offer to translate pages. Restart Chrome after changes to ensure settings apply correctly across tabs and sites. These steps remove both.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.